Mind your manners.
Mind your manners.
Mind your manners.
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 Đọc lại chứ.
I like to be polite and sweet. I mind my manners while I eat. If I want corn, roast beef or peas, I just say so. But first I say please. I never rush because I've learned that it's polite to wait your turn. So now I know to watch my way and say excuse me when I play. When you don't know what to say, if you've been mean or bad one day, just tell someone in times like this, I'm sorry and forgive me, please. We love to play outside all day, but when Mama calls and offers a treat, we stop our game and have something to eat. It's your birthday. Birthday. What will you do? Open the presents.
Open your presents.
Open your presents and say thank you. And after someone says thank you, the best response is up to you. You're welcome, and it was my pleasure. Words that everyone will treasure. Manners are the very best way to make new friends every day. Someday.